Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm turning Harry Potter into a horse in my style. While I'm working on this drawing, I'm going to answer some questions. I asked a few days ago on my Instagram page if you had some questions. Let's start with the first question. How did you start with digital art and why? I started drawing when I can hold a pencil, I think. But my first horse drawings were on paper with a graphite pencil, and I started drawing these in 2015, I think. I started experimenting with different materials like watercolor, pastel drawings, and in 2018 I started with digital art. I bought my first drawing tablet and Photoshop. Later on I bought my iPad and Procreate, and that's what I'm using every day now. The biggest reason that I started with digital art is that you can do it everywhere and you can continue erasing without damaging your paper. Another reason is that you don't have to ship the drawing, but you can simply email it without damaging. Which iPad and pencil do you use? I'm using my iPad Pro from 2018 and the size of the iPad is 11-inch, and I use the second generation Apple Pencil. If you place the Apple Pencil on top of your iPad, it will automatically charge your pencil. Did you get drawing lessons or did you learn everything on your own? I teach myself everything over the years. I draw almost every day, what makes a big difference in my opinion. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and I try to follow them, and so I try to improve my drawings. Don't be afraid to try new things, and most of all, enjoy your drawing journey. What's your favorite software for digital art? My favorite software is Procreate. This program I'm using daily. In the past I used Photoshop for my drawings, but it crashed a lot during drawing, and you can draw everywhere because you need a PC and a tablet to draw on that program. That's why I love Procreate. It has the same features as Photoshop, maybe less, but Procreate is beginner friendly and easy to use for drawing. The only struggle on Procreate is the canvas size. If you want to work on a really big canvas, you don't get a lot of layers to work on. Also, Procreate is a one-time payment app while Photoshop isn't. How long does a sketch take you? It depends on what I'm working on. If I'm drawing only a horse portrait, it takes around 15 minutes. But if I'm working on a human and horse portrait, it will take more time. I think around 30 to 60 minutes. Where did you get your references from? I'm using Pinterest for the poses, and that's the base that I'm using for my drawings. For the horse portraits, I'm using emojis as a guide for the expression. For the rest, I don't use a reference, it comes from my head. Are you using a lot of layer modes in your drawings? And the answer is a yes. It is a really strong way to bring your drawings to the next level. It makes your art pop. For the shadows and highlights, I use soft light. And for other lighting, like in the eyes, I use the layer mode Add. Alright, we reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and all your questions. These Q&As are so much fun to make for me, so I will do it more on this channel. I see you guys on my next video.